A safe and smooth Hajj begins with knowing what to do and what to avoid during the whole journey of Hajj. Every pilgrim's journey is unique, but the guidance for a safe Hajj is the same for all. Do's and Don'ts feature provides guidance on what pilgrims should do and what they must avoid during different stages of Hajj. These instructions are based on many factors, including travel advisories and Hajj rituals, respect to the Saudi Arabia authorities. Open Haj Suvidha app and log in to learn how to use Do's and Don'ts feature and how it helps make your Hajj experience hassle-free. On the home screen, tap on Information menu at top. Here, you can find Do's and Don'ts option. Tap on either of it to find out essential Do's and Don'ts during Hajj journey. How much cash to carry? Need to keep photocopies of original documents with you. How to take care of your baggage and personal belongings. Never be in possession of prohibited and illegal items such as drugs, narcotics and other banned items by Saudi Arabia authorities. Who to trust and never feel obliged to strangers. Never pick any unattended item in and around Haram and other holy places. With whom a woman should always travel. A woman must never go out travel without mihram. Always show respectable conduct during the Hajj towards fellow pilgrims and officials. Following these Do's and Don'ts provided in app will help ensure a safe, smooth and spiritually fulfilling Hajj journey for every pilgrim at every moment. Government of India stands with you.